An auto-totaling time clock has everything you need to start calculating employee time, including 25 time cards, 1 ribbon, and 2 security keys. Each time card is barcoded and has an individual number for assigning to each employee, and calculates work time between punches and accumulates worked hours per pay period. Eliminate overpunching with automatic time card feed and alignment. Choose weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly pay periods. The Pyramid 5000 manages up to 100 employees and automatically resets for daylight savings time and power outages. The tamper-proof security lock protects settings. Choose desktop or wall mount installation. Read our reviews. A lifesaver, adds up every minute so I don't have to. Simple to set up and user-friendly. Great investment, makes payroll a breeze. Stop wasting time and start calculating employee time with the 5000 auto-totaling time clock.